What up, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Gifted Hands, and I'm back to you with another video. And in this video right here, I'm going to be using the new Cordless Wahl Detailers. If you are a fan of Wahl, then you have been waiting for this trimmer to come out. Like, I have picked up a Wahl clipper since day one. It was a Wahl Senior, the black one with the 5 red stars on it. And I was using this trimmer as a combo, right? Whenever I was in barber college. Now they have it cordless. Man, let me tell you something. Now, I did not zero gap this myself personally. This is actually one of Chris Bazio's trimmers. Now, that's the plus with working with Chris Bazio, because you know, he gets to travel and go to these shows and expos and always gets put on with the new equipment to, you know, try out, and like, it's a blessing. So we get to use these trimmers and new tools before they even come out sometimes. But they are zero gap by one of the barbers in the shop, Lido, and these things hit, guys. Like, the weight on them is they're light. They don't even feel heavy. They have a great weight to them. Right here, I'm just spraying some spritz holding spray to allow me to brush down the hair and hold it in place to do the lineup. It's gonna bring out that crispier look to it, that white ash look that you see on Instagram. And right here, what I did was I started with the corner of the blade, the T blade, and started doing the bottom of the pointed sideburns, or ice picks, whatever you want to call them. There's so many names for this type of sideburn. And then I brought my trimmer back up to the C-cup area and started the line there, and then brought it together using just the right corner of that blade. And then whenever I come from the C-cup down, I'll try to favor the left side of the blade a little bit more. Now, right here, we're gonna go ahead and start the front line up again. That spritz holding spray is gonna hold the hair in place. It's not gonna allow it to move. And again, it's gonna add like that crispier look to it. Right here, I'm just trying to make sure we have a nice vertical bar right here on the edge up, and a nice straight line at the top. I have been cutting this kid now for about 7 years, and I have seen him grow up from 5 years old all the way up to now he's all the way in 8th grade. Like, it's crazy. But these trimmers hit, guys. These trimmers really do hit. Again, we're gonna go ahead and start favoring the right corner of that, the left corner of that blade rather, and then connect it right to that C-cup area. We're gonna go ahead and Tokyo drift around that sideburn. But yeah, guys, I've waited for this trimmer to come out, and now that they're out, I love them. I've been using them. Actually, I'm probably like the only barber that has them on my station, because I don't give none of the barbers time to even go and use them or borrow them, because I always have them. I love using them. Now, this is the finished product. Again, this was just a lineup tutorial on using the Cordless Wahl Detailers. I would definitely pick them up, add them to the arsenal. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that like button, and comment below what you think about this video. Team Gifted, stay gifted.